As more businesses begin to reopen across Ohio, health officials in Cuyahoga County are worried about how that will affect efforts to stop the spread of coronavirus. News 5's Jay Jarvis reports they're urging people to be even more cautious as some restrictions are being lifted.
County Medical Director Heidi Gullett says those infections could have come from essential businesses that were already open or ones that have only recently opened. But now that even more people are heading back to work, she wants them to follow those COVID-19 prevention guidelines to a T.
And I suspect if we don't stay true to these great public health measures, that will be an issue for our community.
Those guidelines include social distancing, wearing cloth face masks and hand washing, as well as regular cleaning and sanitizing of surfaces. During a press conference today, Health Commissioner Terry Allen said officials are still early on in their response to COVID-19, adding it's important we stay vigilant.
The sacrifices we continue to make will be the measure of how many of us continue to contract COVID-19 and sadly how many of us may die. We anticipate and are preparing for increases in cases and sadly more deaths even as we open up. We can't be fooled by the warmer weather.
The focus is on business owners who are reopening and making sure those safety practices are in place. But Gullett adds new transmissions have occurred from some workers easing up on those practices outside of the workplace while engaging with coworkers.
You think, I've been at work with this person all day, we've been wearing masks, staying apart, I'm going to jump in the car with them, we can really let our masks out, because you're just trying to relax, and that's where the spread happens.
Gullett says her team is tasked with finding any potential transmission risk for the infection anywhere. That includes newly reopened businesses.
It is a full-time job making sure that we clearly identify risks for this infection to spread. That is the idea behind needing more testing. So as we open up, we will be able to encourage more testing.
Allen is encouraging business owners, employees, and patrons to head to the state's coronavirus website to learn more about those safety guidelines. We have a link to that website on our News 5 app. In Parma, Jay Jarvis, News 5.